Welcome back to the weekly news roundup. This is the SillyVille edition. These are recorded live Fridays, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time if you want to come on by and hang on out. So before we dive on in, you can support the channel. Hit us your subscribe button, like us, comment us, and check out the social media links in the description down below. All right, let's dive on in. This one was originally going to be in my Smart Tech, but I only had 2 articles in there, and it was just funny, so let's just go ahead and bring it in. Colgate's latest AI-powered smart toothbrush starts at $50. Do I really need an AI-powered smart toothbrush? What person needs this? You get a brush, you put some crap on it that's probably going to poison you, and you do this. You really don't need to do a whole lot more than this. If you need a smart toothbrush to do this, okay, that's a problem. We don't want to do that. All right? You do not need this. I mean, if you're super fancy, you can get yourself one of those electric vibrating ones. And that's the epitome of lazy, right? Because you don't have to get the workout. You just have to do this. But anyway, there is now an AI-powered smart... Like, what is this thing? What's the artificial intelligence of this thing going to be? The Connect E1. Yes, we are going to collect all your data, send it to your smartphone, and then store it in our cloud so hackers can see if you're brushing your teeth. How long before this thing is hacked and sold to the dentist's underground market? Maybe the dental insurance companies. I see here, Bob, that you haven't brushed your teeth appropriately. The AI-powered toothbrush told me so. What's up with this world, people? What's up with this world? All right, in an epic duel out, the Bald Eagle won against the drone. So Bald Eagle takes out an Eagle drone because it's 2020 and irony is dead. So Michigan Department of the Environment and the Great Lakes Energy, they're out there surveying a lake, and Eagle's like, hey, look at this thing. You know, descends on the bad boy and actually took the thing out. Let's see. Does somebody have a video? I thought somebody had a video here. Well, anyway, let's see. I thought there was a video. I thought I saw a video earlier. I grabbed the article without a video in it. Let's see if I can find it real quick. Nah, it's just some BBC article. But anyway, you had an eagle battling around with a drone, and it actually took out a propeller, and then the thing, and then crashed itself into a lake. The person running the thing was able to see kind of didn't see the eagle coming, of course. But he got taken out, and then he toppled to the water down there into the lake. They were not able to recover the drone. Some eyewitness accounts said, oh yeah, the eagle kicked the thing's butt, but it was fighting out pretty hard. So anyway, yeah, it was called the Eagle drone, by the way. So Eagle versus Eagle. It turned out that the Bald Eagle, yeah, he wins. Bald Eagle wins. All right, and next, a new study confirms that painting eyes on the cow's butt prevents predators from coming on by. So does this cow here in the middle kind of look like Gonzo to anybody else here? All right, so this is down, I believe this was Africa region? Yeah, well, Botswana. So Botswana, is that Africa or is Botswana Australia? I forget. I think that is Africa. So they were having a problem here. Oh, it is. Wait, it is Australia. Sorry. So one of you guys from Australia in the chat yell at me. I'm forgetting my geography here. All right. So they're having a problem with lions attacking the cattle, but they're noticing they're always attacking the cattle from behind because where do you think the rump roast is? They're not attacking the thing because they're concerned about the eyes. It's a lion. That's a cow. Obviously the lion's going to win. The lion just wants some rump roast. That's what the deal is here. So the farmers were like, all right, we got to figure out what to do here. So they came by and started painting eyes on the butts of the cows. And it turns out that when you paint eyes in the butts of the cows, the lion's like, I don't know what the hell that thing is. I'm going to keep away from it. I think it's a mutant. That's not a rump roast. I don't want to be eating cow brains here. I want to be eating rump roast, but I can't find the rump roast. And apparently the cat is so stupid, he can't figure it out. So anyway, so yeah, they're coming by. Here's the guy painting the eye on the butt of the cow. How's that for a job, right? Excuse me, I'm going to come on by and paint eyes on the butts of your cows today. I mean, what happens when the thing's got to go? You guys ever see a cow urinate? Holy crap. It's like a hose that is like got turned on full blast. I mean, I get a chance to see this occasionally. I actually get my milk directly from a dairy farmer, right? You walk through the fields and you're like, the cow's got to go. It's just like a faucet was turned on high. And then, boom, that's it. Oh, man, that messed up the green screen. There we go, fixed. So, you know, that's kind of the stuff that's going on. I don't know. I would not want to be behind this cow when that has to happen. But, yeah, the lion needs better facial AI recognition. So here is basically what you're going to do. You get your pattern of your eye. Yeah, there we go. We got the black, we got the yellow enamel, and got the paint brushes. And you're just putting up the template and, you know, paint it up. There you go. So anyway, yeah, that's exciting. That's exciting indeed. Man, I'm not on my SillyVille thing. We got to go to our SillyVille. Apologies for that. Man, I'm messing up today. All right. So if you want to help support the channel, have a look at our affiliates page. We have a variety of affiliates here from Amazon. If you shop on Amazon, you can use our affiliate link. We have cell phones, Mint Mobile, and the Pro Writing Aid Grammar Checker, a couple web hosts, a couple VPNs, and some podcast hosting information. Have a look over there if you want to help support the channel. And on to our final story, coronavirus update. Dr. Fauci is not pleased when chicken wings test positive for the coronavirus. Yeah, welcome to the world, right? So look at this, 2019 world champion. World champion at what? Destroying the world? White House coronavirus advisor Dr. Anthony Fauci said the U.S. is currently in the middle of a very serious historic pandemic. Yeah, stick around for our next section. We'll examine that claim, see if there's fact behind it. Adding that he has concerns about some regions seeing upticks. But what we have here, here's the chicken wings. So a sample of frozen chicken wings transported from Brazil to China tested positive for the coronavirus. But officials said there's no evidence that the virus can be transmitted by eating or handling the food. Sample of wings tested by health officials in China found coronavirus was present. Other products and people who came in contact with the wings all tested negative for the virus. However, CDC said there is no evidence that handling or consuming food associated with the COVID-19 transmission and the risk of contracting the virus by touching an infected surface or object is very low. Yeah. Very true. So anyway, yeah, the chicken wings have been tested positive. Which I'm telling you, this exactly explains why if you go to Los Angeles, they were one of the places, so several places around the world are putting in these, you can order alcohol if you order it with a meal. So people are like, fine, give me an order of chicken wings. And the governor out there, Gavin Newsom's like, oh no, you can't order chicken wings. Chicken wings is not a meal. Chicken wings is an appetizer. That doesn't count. You can't order an appetizer. You can't order your calamari. You can't order your fries with your alcohol. You have to order a meal. Guys, when I'm in the mood for chicken wings, that is my meal. I don't order chicken wings and something else. That is my meal. So apparently, though, Gavin Newsom was onto something when he's like, you can't order chicken wings because he knew chicken wings are infested with COVID-19 and they need to be quarantined. So that's our SillyVille edition for today. Let me know your thoughts on all these articles down below. Have a look at the social media links down there. We are on Twitter. We are on Minds. We are on Gab. We are on Mastodon we are switched to Linux at Fostodon on our Mastodon server. And have a look at those links in the description down below.
Thank you for watching this video from Switched to Linux. This channel would not be possible without the backing of the program supporters scrolling on the screen now. You can be a supporter at Patreon at patreon.com/TOMM or at thinklifemedia.com. I also want to thank the open source community who creates such excellent software that makes producing this show possible. Please remember to support your software communities. Thank you, and I hope that you enjoy switching to Linux.